Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a really good trader. So be smart about the way that you're trading. Also, what I'm doing is I'm running a special offer over the next few days. You can get a free trial to my Master Trader Lab. Plus, as part of this special, you receive 5 full master trading courses on frameworks, chart reading mastery, mindset, and much, much more for free. And this is valued at $5,188. Click on the very first link in the description below right now. Alrighty traders, so in this video we're going to be having a look at the silver miners and I'm going to give you a bit of an update on what I see here right now. Now the very first thing that I do see is we're looking at the weekly chart right now and we are definitely still in a very long-term downward. You can see if I draw my trend line through there, you can see how on this SILJ chart, this is a silver junior chart, resistance through there, a whole bunch of resistance all through here as well too. So we're still in a major downtrend through here and you can see my 52 moving average. If I squeeze, let me take this off the screen here. Let me go through there. As you can see, my 52 is still pointing down nicely as well too. So the short term we're getting it on the overall chart is still stepping down here overall. And if I bring up my trend lines through here, we also can see that we have a bit of a support and resistance level through here. So probably around that level through there, you can see X marks the spot. So if I go to the daily chart, you know, for this to really start to get a bit of a change in trend, we're probably going to see the 950 to the $10 mark start to break. And when that starts to break, it's probably going to start to get a bit of a tuning, to change the tune of this market. But one thing I also do notice as well too, by looking at this one here, is that we still actually have a major significant high from this low back here. So if I go back to this low back here, we can see this is actually still a significant higher low from that there to that there. So that's really interesting. Back onto the SIL chart, just the silver chart, silver miners, not the SIL. This is the SI. Before I was looking at the SILJ, which is the juniors. Right now I'm looking at the SIL, which is the silver miners. And we can see we're having a nice trend line coming down through here as well too. Plus also, once again, we actually have this significant support and resistance level coming around that 30 level there. So if I'm going to my daily chart once again, for this whole thing to really start to change, to start to get some momentum on the upside, I'd really have to start getting it back above 29, possibly even 30. And where was that latest high point through there? There's a little bit of a section through there as a 25. So yeah, for this thing to start to get above, if I'm going to look to take a bit more of a longer term position on this on the SIL, I want to see it get it back above 30, possibly even start to get back up to 35 for me to start to look for more of an investing position. Because once that happens, then we have a high probability of what? Then this thing's starting to see a lot more upward movement. So a lot of people saying, Johnny, are you serious? Wait for this thing to get to 35. Why did you get in now? Because I don't know if it's going to continue up. No one knows, right? So I'm all about probability. I want to see this thing start to rise through here. So anyway, guys, let me know in the chat box below. Do you own any silver stocks? If you do, let me know what silver stocks you have. Maybe you want me to wait. Maybe you want me to view one for you. Let me know in the chat box below. And also, what do you think the silver miners are going to do? If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first link in the description because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the millionaire mindset master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the Master Trader Breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now and I'll see you on the next page.